Okay, let's look at this. There's an interesting part here. Actually, they actually place it on something like for them to 3D print a prefab, a 3D printed prefab here in the company. They actually place a board on the floor and then print on top of the board. Let's see. So over here we can see this is the board that they play. A flat board, basically, you know, to keep the down part of it very flat, and then with a kind of like, or you know, nylon or waterproof kind of material on it, so that it's going to print something that is going to print on top of it. You can see the board is there, and then that is on it, and you can see here's a 3D printed. Already a 3D printed part standing on the board. Maybe this is waiting to get dried, and then before they could move it out or finish a painting work, which I think they started halfway, a painting work, or maybe something that, you know, adding some additives to it, right? And after that, it's ready for the next step of filling in between the detail, the structure. It's pretty interesting.